Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Python, an editor, and a virtual environment. First, make a project folder and activate a virtualenv so dependencies stay isolated. Then install one web framework like Flask or Fast API and add Uvicorn for local runs. Once done, scaffold a minimal app file with a single route and run it locally. This first working endpoint proves the loop: code, run, inspect. Make sure to commit an initial README and a simple requirements. TXT before expanding. You move from one endpoint to full features by planning routes, data models, and error flows. Start by modeling core objects and mapping them to a simple database using SQL Alchemy or Tortoise. Keep migrations simple. Next, implement input validation and authentication where needed, then iterate with unit tests using PyTest and the framework's test client. Run tests frequently. They prevent regressions. As you implement, refactor into modules and add logging, so you can trace behavior when things diverge from expectations. You finish by packaging and deploying. Create a Docker file, build an image, and push to your registry. Configure environment variables for secrets and point to a production database or managed service. Once deployed, run smoke tests and check logs for errors. Use process managers or Kubernetes for resilience. If something breaks, roll back to the previous image, inspect recent migrations, and reproduce the failure locally. Troubleshooting tip: if errors are environment-specific, compare envars, dependency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.